This is Pioneer's SDA-SC510. This is a wireless charging cradle for your cell phone. So it's a cradle for your cell phone and it wirelessly charges at the same time. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, we're going to just pop this box open here. All right, a little bit of packing there. And here is the owner's manual for the product. There's the owner's manual. And let's see, let's dig these things out here. This is the suction cup mounting bracket and the safety cord that comes with it. That's the suction cup mounting bracket safety cord right there. And we have the cigarette lighter adapter with USB ports. So cigarette lighter adapter there. And we have the USB cable. This is the USB-A to USB-C cable. The charger, Cradle charger, uses a USB-C connection, but USB-A plugged into the cigarette lighter adapter. And we have a couple of different ways that you can use the product. The first is with a air conditioning and heating vent bracket. We'll take a little bit closer look at that in just a moment here. And this is the screw to mount that on that bracket. And we have the mount right here. Let's dig this out. Okay, here it is. Okay, here's the mount. We'll take a more careful look at this and show you how the arm can articulate in just a moment. And here is the cradle. Let's pull the cradle up out of here. There we go. There is the charging cradle. The Pioneer SDA-SC510 is a Qi certified induction charging phone cradle. That means you can put a Qi certified wireless charging capable phone in the cradle and charge the phone while you're driving. The Pioneer SDA-SC510 is an automatic motorized cradle designed with a non-slip and scratch resistant silicone cradle and arms that safely hold your phone in a useful position while driving. First, take the locking ring and put it over the mount, and now we'll snap the cradle onto the mount. You have to use a little force, but it pops right in there. And then snug this up when you get the right angle in your car, in your vehicle, so you can see this the way you want it to. So now I'm just going to plug in the USB cable into the bottom of the cradle, and that goes through the charging alignment bracket right here. Make sure you go right through there, and you want to keep the charging alignment bracket all the way buttoned up to the bottom of the cradle just to start. Once we plug that in, you should see a couple of lights over here. These are power indicators to let you know that the system has power. And now we are going to open up the charging alignment bracket here. So we'll just lower that down a little, and I'm going to touch the button on the side here to open up the cradle. And I'll take this phone and drop it in there so we can charge it. And you can see that it has charged. It's starting to charge right away. Now I'm going to use the charging alignment bracket here in case my phone doesn't charge very well. I'm going to open that up, and I'm just going to slide this up a little bit until I get to a spot where it's charging pretty well. And once I find that spot, maybe right there, I'm going to snug up the bolt on the back here, and that means my cradle will be set to go. And now I'll just take this and put it back in, and the cradle will tighten up on it and hold it safe. And in case you hit a few bumps along the way, the charging alignment bracket there holds the phone securely. When I want to leave my vehicle, you can see that the phone is clamped in there, and I really can't pull it out. It's held in there pretty firmly. I'm going to touch this button over on the side right here, this silver button, and that will open the brackets. That opens it up, and I can take that out. Now, let's say you've turned your car off, but you forgot to take that out. Okay, for right now, I'm going to put my phone back in there. And it automatically clamps up. Now, let's say that I want to get out of my car. I've turned the car off, but I forgot to take the phone out of the bracket. I'll even simulate that by pulling the power cord out here. So now there's no power connected to this. You can see it's disconnected. I can still touch the button on the side, and that will open the clamps for me, and I can remove my phone. The cradle can be mounted in the vehicle two different ways. First is the suction cup mount. A suction cup surface mount sheet is included along with a safety wire to secure the cradle and mount to the vehicle. The second mount system is the vent clip here. You can clip the mount onto an air conditioning vent and mount the cradle to the vent. The SDA-SC510 wireless charging cradle is big enough to hold most modern cell phones. The cradle can accommodate phones up to 3.5 inches wide and automatically adjust to the proper size. The mounting arm can be articulated to extend or retract and make the phone higher or lower to create the proper viewing angle for your particular vehicle and your mounting location. The system will fast charge iPhones at up to 7.5 watts and Android-based phones at up to 10 watts. The charging cradle will work with phones stored in many different cases up to 5 millimeters thick and non-magnetic and non-metallic in design. You may need to remove the phone from some cases in order to charge the phone. You can charge many different modern phones with the Pioneer SDA-SC510. However, please note, not all phones are compatible with the Qi induction wireless charging standard. Most modern iPhones from iPhone 8 and newer, as well as modern Samsung phones from Galaxy S7 and newer, will work with the Pioneer SDA-SC510 wireless charging cradle. And that is Pioneer's SDA-SC510 wireless charging cradle for your phone. And what's in the box?